know. This is Cola Sojat coming at you live with Lab Light Films right here in Pittsburgh, California. Just wanted to go into a little bit about this conscious music and just consciousness with the black people right now. You know, we are on the rise. We're becoming more conscious of who we are and things of that sort. But just a few short years ago, you know, it was a trip out here, you know, trying to get black people to understand the message that I'm trying to convey, and just for us to have love for each other and you know, understanding who we are. To me, knowledge of self is very important, and I want to welcome y'all to my channel. First of all, it's called Cola Ogun. I'm going to be bringing my music and also information, lots of information about culture awareness and just things that we deal with every day in the African American community. I do have a series. This is from a paper that I wrote a few years ago, an article in a paper that was produced or published. It's called The Miseducation of Ugly, and this basically deals with the way black people treat each other, especially our brothers and sisters who are of a darker hue and have nappy hair, so-called nappy hair. That's actually the proper term for that is ninth ether. That's ninth ether hair. This is what we deal with. This is the hair of the divine. Our hair grows in circles. It grows into naturals or crowns, you know, so that's actually a blessing instead of us, you know, being in our ignorance, putting others down. I also want to give a shout out, well, not a shout out, I want to give a shout out to black people, okay, but I also want to just go into the light-skinned brothers and sisters. I don't want them to think that I am, because I'm brown, that I'm, you know, just trying to talk down on them. We all have struggles with skin complexion, and it's something that's been going on for many years and centuries maybe, and we have to get to a point where we realize that we are all, you know, brothers and sisters. A lot of us have been mixed throughout the diaspora. Our blood has been mixed. Some of us were mixed by choice, others by rape, and but we still, you know, have to embrace our African spirit and understand the core of who we are and what bring us together. We all make up the ebony rainbow. Every shade of black is beautiful, and we have to learn to stop having superficial and Eurocentric views of what beauty is. So I hope by bringing this awareness in this series of The Miseducation of Ugly that we will be able to touch on a lot of those subjects. You guys can leave comments, ask questions, you know, so on and so forth. Black is beautiful, so why, and if I hear that all the time, so why have we regressed back down to, you know, the weaves, calling black people ugly, you know, trying to deny anything that deals with who we are, making others feel inferior, others feel superior. Why is that? Where did that thinking come from, and how is that going to change? At what point? So that's pretty much what this is, the intro of The Miseducation of Ugly. Just stay tuned so you can get the entire series. Once again, my name is Cola Sojat, and I will be the host. And you guys keep loving each other. Stop the hate. In order to spread love and to spread awareness, we got to come into knowledge of self. So you stay tuned. And
we got to do this now.
You got
to get it where you live.
Stay tuned. Peace.